Are you looking for some free affiliate marketing training for beginners? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 that will teach you everything you need to know to start earning big in no time. Hi, my name is Fran from Create and Earn, and I'm going to talk to you about some training you can start absolutely for free to learn some very essential skills about affiliate marketing, how to get started if you're a complete beginner, and to not waste your time and start earning straight away. So there are different things you can do and different ways to do affiliate marketing. You can do paid advertising, you can create content. There's lots of things you need to know about affiliate marketing. You need to know how to learn to drive traffic. You need to know how to create a funnel, an affiliate funnel that will actually build your email list and give you commissions at the same time and pay you commissions at the same time. And actually, you do need a plan, an action plan to start building up your affiliate business. But most of the actual good training that you can get or you need will cost you a lot of money. A lot of people are selling very expensive trainings, but there are some free stuff out there and that will get you started in the right path. So let's have a look at this. But before I show you these trainings, remember, anytime if you're finding any value in this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you can receive notifications about more of these videos, and check all the content, the amazing content that I have in here teaching you how to build a passive income. All right, so the first free training I want to mention is Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is not just a training, it's a complete platform with a community, with training, with people that will support you when you're getting started. They teach you about blogging and about affiliate marketing, so specifically blogging for affiliate marketing. You have step-by-step lessons that will guide you through how to launch your website. That you can actually, they have the whole complete platform. You can launch a website in 30 seconds. You have lessons from one of the founders that will teach you exactly how to build your website and how to start blogging right away and promote affiliate products at the same time and rank in the search engine so you can start earning commissions as soon as possible. They have a very good method that has worked for thousands of people, so I recommend you have a look at Wealthy Affiliate, and it's completely free to get started. You will find a link to Wealthy Affiliate and to all these programs in the description below, so make sure to check that out if you want to follow to Wealthy Affiliate. Again, it's completely free to get started. Have a look for yourself. Don't take my word for it. See if you like it, if it's your style, and then you'll decide. So with Wealthy Affiliate, what you'll learn is basically how to create content. Even if your thing is not blogging, if you want to start a YouTube channel, the concept of blogging is still very important. And I still recommend that you actually build a blog. Even if you don't intend to blog much, it's always good to have a website. I always say that YouTube channels and blogs have a perfect synergy because you can embed the videos and they will promote each other. I have both. I have this YouTube channel and I have a website, createandearn.com, with my blog posts, my articles, and then I create some videos and I create blog posts. Sometimes I create similar content in both formats. Anyway, have a look at Wealthy Affiliate. This is one very important skill, is the content creation. If you actually learn how to create content for affiliate marketing that actually ranks on search engine, which is what they teach in Wealthy Affiliate, that's the first step for passive income, because that content will be seen for an indefinite amount of time. It will be there and will be seen by many people. Now, the second training I want to recommend here is Legendary Marketer. I have a review of their 15-day challenge, and that challenge it will give you an overview of all you need to know for affiliate marketing and for marketing in general, but everything you need to know to actually be successful and build a business with affiliate marketing. You'll learn about sales funnels, affiliate marketing, specifically applied to affiliate marketing, the skills you need. So this challenge is completely free when you get the affiliate marketing book called The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing from Dave Sharp. It costs only $2. So yeah, this one is not free because you have to pay for the book, but the challenge itself is free. So the whole training is free. And I absolutely recommend you have a look at that one. leave that one for last if you actually don't want to spend the $2 straight away. But for me, the $2 for the amount of training you get and the book is a no-brainer. What you learn from a legendary marketer is the whole complete picture of what you need to know as an affiliate marketer. So I definitely recommend you have a look at that one, because it will give you with Wealthy Affiliate, you'll learn how to create content, and just with Wealthy Affiliate you can start earning. But once you learn Legendary Marketer, this is like leveling up in the affiliate marketing world, because you actually learn how the most successful people are building huge businesses around it. The sales funnel is a big part of it, and you will learn all these concepts, more important concepts. It's not as actionable as Wealthy Affiliate, because in Wealthy Affiliate you are starting your blog, but the effects that you get from what you learn in Legendary Marketer, if you take action from them, you can get a more immediate return, because content takes time to build and to start ranking. Whilst Legendary Marketer will teach you a different picture, it also teaches you what you need to know if you want actually to use to invest in your business, so to use advertising to grow faster. Even if you don't want to, if you're not thinking about, okay, I'm going to use ads, or I'm going to build a funnel. What is important about these methods I'm teaching here, or these trainings I'm talking about, is that with these three methods you will have the complete picture, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and then you can decide which route to go, this is the hardest thing for anybody starting out. When I started out, I stumbled into everything and I didn't know in which direction to go. I started a blog, I changed for a different niche, then eventually I decided to start this YouTube channel. I've done so many things. And with these three trainings that are completely free, well, $2 if you pay for the book in Legendary Marketer, you have learning material here for more than a month, and you can learn everything you need to start in the right direction and to start big. So you will avoid most mistakes most beginners actually make. So this is Legendary Marketer, and will give you the global picture of affiliate marketing, but it will also follow you along for you to get started. They even give you a coach if you want to go in that direction. If you want to know more about Legendary Marketer, again, I've done a complete review of their 15-day challenge, so have a look at the card here and you can see exactly what we're talking about here. All right. So number 3 is the Affiliate Bootcamp, ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. The Affiliate Bootcamp is completely free again, and for all of these I will leave links in the description below. You just have to follow each of the links that you want, or all of them if you want, or one of them. But you will find the links in the description below. The Affiliate Bootcamp, it's a bootcamp that was created by Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels, which is he was a master affiliate marketer before. Well, he's a master marketer, but he was really good at affiliate marketing. He's won many competitions. What he did for the Affiliate Bootcamp is that he contacted most of his of the ClickFunnels affiliates, the ones that were actually earning big time, the ones that won the free car he was giving away for people who got 100 subscriptions of ClickFunnels, and he got them to give him a plan. So if they had nothing except for a ClickFunnels account, how would they go into a full-time job and to earn a full-time income with only 100 days? And he got, I believe it was 15 of them to actually give him the action plans. And what this affiliate bootcamp is these action plans that 15 super affiliates have drafted. Some of them are the actual plans they followed in their businesses to get to where they are now. And this, why do I give you this one for last? Because this once you actually know about affiliate marketing, once you understand affiliate marketing, which you can learn most of it from Wealthy Affiliate and from Legendary Marketer, if you do the affiliate bootcamp, it's a 4-day bootcamp, I think, so you'll get different some of these trainings, like you get access to 2 of them per day, or something like 3 of them sometimes. I don't know, I'm not exactly sure about it. I don't remember. I've done this a long time ago. But each of these guys is going to give you the exact plans for you to follow. So now that you know how to do affiliate marketing, now you receive the plans, and all you have to do is choose which one fits your style more. And these guys, actually, some of them do blogging, some of them do paid advertising, some of them do YouTube. So once you've learned from Wealthy Affiliate and from Legendary Marketer what you want to do and how to actually build the stuff, with the affiliate bootcamp, you'll get the plans, and you can decide. You already know what you want to do. You already know you want to be a blogger, so you can follow the guy that actually is a blogger and gives you the plan of his plan to actually go full-time with affiliate marketing in 100 days, which is quite impressive. And again, affiliate bootcamp is completely free, and and you'll find the link for it in the description below. So these are the 3 trainings I recommend any beginner affiliate marketing start with. And if you actually go through the 3 of them, you won't spend any money. You'll spend $2 with the Legendary Marketer one. So with $2, you'll have everything you need to be a successful affiliate marketer. Instead of spending hundreds and hundreds or even thousands like me or most other people actually did when they started their affiliate marketing businesses, here you'll know everything you need to know to be successful. Before we finish, I want to ask you, which of these do you think you're going to start first? I still recommend you go with Wealthy Affiliate first, but if you're not into the blogging thing, or if you're a bit more advanced and you actually want to start learning the whole big picture of affiliate marketing, you can go into Legendary Marketing. So let me know in the comments below, which one will you have a look at first? And will you follow through? This is the most important thing ever. Will you follow through? Tell me in the comments, are you dedicated enough to follow through the whole training? At least one of them. If you found this helpful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, ask anything you want, and I'll be happy to answer. In this channel, we're all about building a passive income from content creation and other methods. So remember to subscribe. For now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.